The next blender is a Sigma blade mixer or the Sigma blade blender. The name indicates Sigma blade means the blade here of a Sigma shape. Okay. So the principle here is again the shearing as we have seen in ribbon blender and in planetary mixer. Again in Sigma blade mixer the mechanism of mixing is the shearing. The intermeshing of the Sigma blade or Sigma shape blades create high shear and kneading action also. Convective mixing is achieved by cascading the material or moving the material. So here the mechanism of mixing is the shearing, and the intermixing is the apparatus of Sigma blade. Okay, the Sigma blades are intermeshed. Okay, a meshing is there inside, and this meshing causes a high shear, and also the kneading action can also take place. Convective mixing is achieved by cascading action. Cascading the material matlab moving the material to and fro. Okay, construction, it consists of a double trough. Two troughs are present, two trough or two bowl shaped vessels are present. Okay, and they are stationary, they will not move. Okay, two Sigma blades are fitted horizontally in each trough of the bowl. In this one bowl we have one Sigma blade, in the other bowl we have other Sigma blade, and the bowls are connected to a speed drive. Okay, these blades are connected to a speed drive. The mixer is loaded from the top and it is unloaded by tilting the bowl, or by just tilting the bowl we can remove the material. Okay, or by means of rack and pinion drive. Rack and pinion drive matlab tilting the bowl and removing the material is called as a rack and pinion drive. It consists of a double trough shape stationary bowl. Two Sigma shape blades are present which are fitted horizontally in each trough of the bowl. They are connected to a fixed speed drive. The mixer is loaded from the top and unloaded from the bottom by tilting it. Okay, and this is a diagram of the Sigma shape. This is a cross section, and this is the top view of the Sigma blade mixer. The stationary bowl is present. Inside this we have two Sigma blades present in it. Okay, so top view, this is a cross sectional view. Working here, the different powder mixture are introduced from the top of the trough. Okay, and the body is covered so that any dust evolving or any dry evaporation of the solvent from the dry from the wet blending should not happen, so that the lid is covered completely. The lid is and it is connected to a fixed drive shaft, so that the blades rotates. Okay, when the blade rotates, what happen, it will take the material along with it, and it will cause the mixing of the material. This blade, they both moves in opposite directions. Okay, they both moves in opposite direction, so that the material is completely mixed by using of these two blades. Okay, this is the working of the Sigma blade mixer. Through the fixed speed drive, the Sigma blades are allowed to rotate. Blade move at different speeds, usually one twice the other. They turn toward each other. This brings the material at the center. Again, the pushes the material to the corners, from the top to the downward toward the point, and sheared between the blade and the wall of the trough. The perforated blades help in breaking of the lumps, and the final stage of the mix represents a equilibrium state. Okay, at the end, final stage is obtained by the mixing of the material with the help of the blades. As the blade, they are intermeshed, so the breaking of lumps and proper mixing of the materials take place. Okay, uses mixing of dough. It is used in baking industry for making dough. Okay, making dough, used in manufacture of tablets, pills, masks and ointment for mixing of tablet materials, pill material. Then it is used for mixing of masses. Okay, and it is used in making of ointment for mixing of bases with along with the other ingredient. Also used for solid liquid mixing and solid mixing also. Advantages: it creates minimum spaces there, so minimum spaces there, so minimum batch is operated. Disadvantages is work at a fixed speed cannot be adjusted at the ongoing process. Speed cannot be lowered or it cannot be increased. This is the working of Sigma blade mixer. Sigma blade mixer looks like this. A simple process is there. Blades are present, they rotate at a particular speed. Speed is already set before the start of the process. Material is loaded from the top of the container or the bowl or the trough. Then lid is closed completely. The blades rotate. After rotation, what happens? The material is getting completely mixed from all the sides because of rotation of the blade and intermeshing of the blade. The material get completely mixed, and After completion of the process, VCF equilibrium state is obtained, and the speed of this is adjusted at the start of the process only. Okay, this is about the Sigma blade blender.